Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Last night we hit the 500 followers, very happy with it. Normally we do videos about diagnostics, but today I want to warn you about basic settings on this Audi Q7 2006. It has an 8-cylinder petrol engine in it. The car came in with a new compressor, which is located over there. Also they have fitted a new pressure sensor. It wasn't an original one. And they have fitted a new temperature sensor. And the temperature sensor is also over here. A little brown one. So it came in with 6 fault codes. Position motor for defroster flap, no or incorrect basing settings. They still had the high pressure sensor problem. Opener short to ground. We had an air quality sensor. Defroster flap position motor mechanical failure. And the other two are position motor for side vent right, opener short to plus, and the basic settings not performed. No or incorrect basic settings. Okay, first we have checked for this fault code, the high pressure sensor. They have fitted an aftermarket one. We have tested power to ground and everything was fine. So we fitted an original pressure sensor, and it now was showing the correct value. Before it was around 30 bars in rest, and now it's at a steady 6 bars. It's very hot in Holland at the moment. So luckily we have our own air conditioning in the workshop. Very nice. So problem of the high pressure sensor was gone. Then the air conditioning still wasn't working. So just to be sure, we looked at the air quality sensor, because we couldn't also perform the basic settings. I don't know why somebody has played with the basic settings, but there it went completely wrong. I will tell you later in the video. So air quality sensor, that's located over here. That one we also changed and the problem was gone. So most fault codes gone, but the one we still have, one moment, sorry. One fault code, basing settings not performed. And the problem is we can't switch the econ mode off. So no air conditioning. So that's the problem. What they should have done after they fitted a new compressor is go to basic settings and perform compressor run in cooling check. But what somebody had done, somebody went to this basic settings. And what we now have, so now it went into learning mode. It tries to learn all the position sensors of the flap motors. Okay. we can hear some positions of motors going up and down, and the basing setting stopped, but it wasn't completed successfully because look what we have now. Right position, mechanical failure. Position sensor for right hand central vent. No or incorrect basic settings. The right temperature flap. No or incorrect basic settings. And we still have the fault code 01087. Basic settings not performed. So we found a document, and it tells us about the basic settings. If the basic settings isn't complete correctly, basic settings 1 and 3, so 1 is for the flap motors and 3 is for the compressor, should minimal be learned once successfully, otherwise the icon button remains on. Okay, so what they should have done is basic settings number 3. The basic settings in number 3 can only be performed when the basic settings of basic settings group 1 was successful. As long as the basic settings in 03 are not performed minimal one time successfully, the icon cannot be switched off. So if nobody has touched basic settings number 1, we could have performed basic settings number 3 and everything was working. And now we have the problem that basic settings number 1 isn't performed, and all those flap motors, which are located here and on the other side, I think it has around 10 of those flap motors. We can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and if I'm correct there were 5 on the other side as well. And we have fault codes on more than one of those flap motors, and they are around 200 to 300 euros a piece. So please people, be aware of the basic settings which you are performing. If you have just replaced the compressor, only do the basic settings number 3. If you have replaced an how do you say it, the unit itself, then you have to perform the basic settings number 1 and pray that the flap motors are still working. Otherwise you have to go deep under the dash and change the motors. So if they had fitted a correct pressure sensor the first time, this was all fixed and it was an easy job. But now they have fitted a wrong aftermarket pressure sensor, they have fitted a compressor, and then they have played around with the basic settings. Maybe they disconnect the AC panel and the basic setting faults came in. But now we have to change the pressure sensor for an original one, and we have to get the basic settings performed. So at this moment we only have changed one of the flap motors, because that one was giving a mechanical failure. So that fault code is gone, but we still have a few more to tackle. So I hope we can sort this out by some new flap motors. but I just want to warn you about this basic settings. So keep your eyes open for this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and let's go to the 1,000 followers. Thanks for watching.